Alrighty, Patrick, here's your small block Ford. Your description's combination, got LRS cascades on it. The Edelbrock manifold and the custom valve cover. Custom ground hydraulic roller. The Moroso front sump oil pan. We're going to make a run, see if she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 483 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 511, peak horsepower 497, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the bike back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple things here. See your in, find a single there credit card, USB card is full of technical information. In the crate will be this spec sheet. There's a lot of data on there. I highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.